So guys, we're back. What I wanted to show you is we get questions all the time about the different types of finishes that we can achieve and the way the abrasive affects the surface. As you can see, this part is kind of dull and gray. It looks more like an aluminum oxide finish. This part is going to be more of a glass bead finish. It's going to give you a like new, more satin. Also, when you turn the pressure down on the pump, you can also blast at 0 pressure, but it's going to brighten this finish up even more with glass bead. So if you have questions about abrasives or you need assistance with your application, give us a call today at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.